we go. You guys wanted a backflip. What do you say, Stoli? Did I execute it perfectly? I'm like a beached whale. I made him climb out of the pool. Oh yeah, we're going into some New Park pizza. Cash only, by the way. He's got the guitar! Now, I know I made a commitment to the community that I wasn't going to show these people who have developmentally challenging qualities, but there's really something special watching a grown-ass man wearing a sports jacket, a shirt, a pipe doctor hat, playing a guitar, missing a string, a 5-string guitar. There's something really special about that. Gotta love it. And as per a request from one of the viewers, here comes a backflip. Oh my God, the things I do to feed you guys content. Enjoy. Let's go, Stoli. Stoli. All right. As per your request, let's prop that bad boy right there. As per your request. Why doesn't it go down anymore? It doesn't go down anymore. This thing sucks. Go. There. Okay. As per your request. Here we go. You guys wanted a backflip. You guys wanted a backflip. I'm going to give you a backflip. Can I do a running backwards backflip? What do you think, Stoli? What do you think? You think I could do it? What do you think? I think I executed that perfectly. What do you say, Stoli? Did I execute it perfectly? I'm like a beached whale. I made him climb out of the pool. Stoli! Come here. You're scared of the pool, aren't you? Get over here. Come here. Next request. It's Thursday. Tomorrow is Free Friday. And tomorrow's kind of awesome. Tomorrow, Daniel's getting a brand new truck. I got him an e-Sprinter, high roof, wrapped with the new Pipe Doctor Home Services wrap. I'm looking forward to it. Trading in the old truck. Dealer gave me $20K for it. Wish they gave me more, because the shelving uplift package was around $20,000. So it is what it is. Throwing a few bucks down, gonna finance it for 5 years or 4 years. I think we did 4 years. Yeah, comes out to be like $1,500 a month. Nothing crazy. I'm looking forward to not having to worry about a diesel engine or the DEF fluid that needs to be added to the diesel engine. The fluid, it's just so annoying. The oil changes, the transmission. It's just so annoying. I'm a big fan of the EVs as long as it's not a Tesla, because I think pussies drive Teslas. And I'm sorry if you're a Tesla driver. I had one. I had 3 total. I had the Cybertruck and I had 2 Model S's. But I just think that you have a lot of these crazy Karens and these woke motherfuckers who are just retarded to drive them. But yeah. So we had a good day today. I went on a few service calls. I'm trying to remember how many service calls I went on. It's all just a blur sometimes. But I went to Howard Beach. And worked on a Hayward pool heater. You don't want to lick that water because it's not good water. It was a Hayward Heat Pro heat pump. And really nice guy. Nice guy. He, beautiful pool, beautiful home, beautiful backyard. His compressor contactor didn't want to take 24 volts the way it's supposed to and, close the 2-pole contactor. So we popped that in there. On the way back, I stopped at New Park Pizza on Cross Bay Boulevard in Howard Beach, of course. I got a video of that. It'll be uploaded. I don't know if you're watching this now or then, whatever, but it'll be on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. Good pizza. Doesn't beat King Umberto's, but it's definitely a good pizza. Before that, we had some maintenance on 2 ream rectangles. Remember they were called cubes and rectangles on those reams? I did that, and I don't remember what I did before that. That's the problem. I don't remember. My knee's been hurting. My left knee's been hurting a little bit too. I think it's Stoli. It's Stoli. It's like the king. Melech. Okay. It's my boy Stoli. And tomorrow I'm working on a Raypak pool heater. Good stuff. Gotta replace the display module. Out of warranty. But I got plenty of Raypak parts when we were an authorized warranty center. So I got a lot of parts there, but we'll get them up and running. Good stuff. Really, really good stuff. You know what I mean? Good stuff. And then Friday. Tomorrow's Friday. I love me Fridays. I really, really, really do. It's good stuff. Yeah, I'm just not really in the mood right now to talk too much. But I want you guys to check out. I have just uploaded another video to the Mikey Pipes Cuffed and Uncensored channel. This stupid motherfucker, by the way, the main character of the video, gets himself arrested and threatens to kill the policeman's entire family. Jesus Christ. It's got some great content. I get it with FOIA requests, Freedom of Information Act requests. And I'm just capturing, before it gets crazy saturated, the voyeurism of the genre of people watching people get arrested for stupid shit. Like the video I posted last week, this stupid Karen from Connecticut doing 100 miles an hour in Florida gets pulled over, right? Is drunk, doesn't get arrested for being drunk, gets arrested for being a fucking moron, a stupid see you next Tuesday woman. And she ends up paying a $200 fine, and she has remote call-in probation. Can we have that shit? Remote call-in probation. Wow, the times have changed. They really have. Damn. But what's more ironic is the video that I'm waiting on that made me start a police body cam channel still hasn't arrived yet from Sanford, Florida Police Department. I paid, and it's going to take some time. I don't know why it's taking so long, but it's going to take some time. But I'm really excited with this police body cam footage channel because, I don't have a 401k. I have some real estate that I invest in, for recurring revenue and other stuff like that. But, these YouTube channels that have, 10, 20, 30 million views a month, you guys have no idea what kind of revenue that brings in on a monthly basis. It's stupid money. It's like it's like stupid CEO money type shit. You know what I mean? We're talking like $150, $200, $400,000 a month in revenue. Imagine, you know, it's the 23rd, 24th, 25th of the month, and you get a direct deposit from YouTube for, I don't know, $250,000. Like, fuck. That is some real life-changing revenue. It really, really is. And you know what? If I can get a little piece of the action, enjoying what I do best, which is creating content, even though I'm not creating it, but I'm just editing it and putting voiceovers and just putting pieces, you know, connecting the pieces of the puzzle together. Why not if I can make you guys laugh and just feed you guys a little bit more fun? Because you know what? My knee's fucked up. Crawling around in crawl spaces and attics, I really can't do it anymore. I can't. If I'm not working on an outdoor unit during an install, I might as well be in the pool. So I just not met, but I spoke to a gentleman on the phone. He's a huge YouTube fan of the channels, and he just moved back to New York. I'm meeting him Sunday, and let's see. Hopefully I can keep him busy, you know. But you know what? Nothing like employing a fan and bringing them onto the team where we can have just fun every day and just chill and hang out, and just, it's good for morale and good for the whole team. Good stuff. Anyway, guys, catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.